That was a rip-tickling act by my friend Vishnu. It was really good. That medicine was really effective for my back at last.
Good.
Now that my nerves are fine, let's move on to some more songs.
Yes, I think you better take it easy. Ladies and gentlemen, the next item is a medley of top of the charts Hindi and Tamil songs. That is a mix of northern and southern spice. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our nightingales on stage.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are enjoying the show. Now here, we as a team are gonna present it's a mix of Hindi and Tamil songs along with some Malayalam songs. First of all, let me introduce the singers to you. To the left is Rosemary, Alfie, Shruti, Millie, Sharath, the lead singers, Tony, Don, and I must introduce the pianist, the keyboardist to you. He is from TP Alumni. I hope you all may know him. I hereby introduce Basil Baby to you. The first song we're gonna sing here is titled as Dil Se Re. Hope you all know that. It literally means from the bottom of my heart. This song is composed and written by A.R. Rahman, the most famous music director in the world. He has won the Oscar Award in the year 2009. So my dear friends, please lend your ears to the words that we sing, Dil Se Re, from the bottom of our heart. Thank you.
एक आंधी आई थी जब दिल से आग निकली थी दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल तो आखिर दिल है ना से मुश्किल है ना पिया तो आती दिल है ना मिलने से मुश्किल है ना पिया पिया जिया 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 दिल से रे 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 वो पत्ते दो बेचारे फिर उगने की चाहत में वो शहराओं से गुजरे वो पत्ते दिल 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 दे वो दिल 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 दे दिल है तो दिल दर्द होगा दिल है तो दिल भी होगा मौसम गुजरने के लिए दिल है तो दिल दर्द होगा